Guys, it is that time of the month. Let me just hack this video up a few days ago. But today we are going to update our credit score and see where we're at. We just did this video a few days ago because I did it late last month. So it's not like we're going to have that much to go over. So it's going to be more to the shorter side. I did predict it to go down this month. And so, because we reached that apex 1-1, and I predicted it to go down this month and up next month. So, without hesitation, let's go ahead and update this and see where we're at. All right, moment of truth. Oh, it's not going. Go, go. All right, processing here. Your new scores have arrived. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. All right, what did we get? Wow, it actually still went up. It still went up. I thought it was going down, but it still went up. Okay. So we beat my expectations. I was guessing this will go down, but it still went up. Experience not changing at all. This thing isn't changing at all here. I'm pretty sure this is gonna go next month. And the reason why I say that because I'm currently paying down my self credit card, so I'm paying that down. So I'm pretty sure that's going to go up next month here. So as right now, this is just staying the same as fair. So we just have my credit score set to fair. These guys are going up fair. So I guess I'm gonna send that to keep them in the fair range. So now I actually gotta get some credit here. So I wasn't terrible because I didn't have any credit. I actually had bad credit. So I was down here very poor. Went to here, and now it's like I'm averaging off in the fair. It's like a standing around. I'm staying in here. My goal is to get to great. I gotta overcome. I gotta get to 750 to get to that great part here. So let's see some things. Pretty much the same thing we can do here to increase our score right here. So we have no new activity, which is excellent. This will turn to excellent with time, but I know it's going to drop back down because I do want to get two more credit cards, one from my bank and one from one of my brokerages. So it's two more credit cards. There are going to be two impacts to my credit age. So I'm pretty sure this is going to dip down, I want to say probably into the poor category. Uh, Account types here. This will go up when I have more accounts that have been open for a long time here. So I'm guessing this should go when I get my two credit cards here because it'll go back to my revolving credit account right there. So just have some added on, tacked on to that bad boy. Now this is the one that I can change. It's going to be a little while. This will go up good also because, like I say, this balance, this top balance is right here. This is going to be from self. Oh, it hit twice in that bad boy. Yep, the balance, that's from self. The limits from self. So that's 3 from self right there. So it may go up a ton. We got 3 impacts from self by itself. So it may go up a ton as we get that paid off. My payment history, I just need to have better payment history, so they go up a time. So most of these are time based because history established with time. So time based. I can do this right now. So this is pretty much what I have. This is pretty much what I have control over. Are my debts here? So I have to see what I actually owe money on, which I already checked from the last one. So I already know that. What we say? We say it was cons, child support, and I think those only 2. Oh, and a old loan. So I can get those paid off fairly easy. But I'm gonna wait till I get my credit up there. I'm gonna pay that with one of my credit cards. I'm gonna try to keep the balance below 30%, but I'm gonna take my time paying off. I'm gonna rush myself into more debt here. Credit report. Let's see if it'll tell us. And I was just looking at this, so okay, yeah, we were just looking at this. I'm not doing the credit report. We just looked at the insight. Insight tell us, that was in the red right there, so we got to fix. So this is real excellent. So new activity. So I guess those are good because they're grayed out. Blue doesn't affect us. Red means bad. All right. You have 22 credit accounts reporting differences between bureaus. All right. So this I have 22 accounts reporting here. All right, so what's highlighted is showing what they're reporting to. All right, so that really helped out on score sense. And so obviously it's saying this is reported to Equifax. Oh, it can distribute stuff on here. Awesome cake. I have no idea what this is. 20 days late for 270. Oh, that's the loan. We were just talking about that. And it's open? I have an open account? Okay. Well, it's awesome. We get to look here and see. Close. I don't know how that's. Oh, let's hit current. Alright, so I guess it just shows everything. Or is it good or bad? Okay. I have nothing to do with that. Oh, child support. It says right there. Okay. So yeah, it will tells me what's affecting it here. So we got child support. Obviously, that's gonna be one. Bank of America should be good on all of them. So because they're closed out. Bank of America. What are you telling these guys? Bank of America closed. Yeah, I don't know why I report to it closed. I guess so they can keep a record of it. All right, but we're not finna look at all that stuff. Alerts here. Yeah, so it tells you negative information, negative information. You pay your account current. So it'll tell you stuff about your credit on here. Positive, late, current, experience, da da da. Just tell you about all your stuff. Alright. But yeah, it's a short video. Don't really got that much to go over. Scores they go up. So our credit is getting good. We're at the 600 range officially. Everything's in 600, so we're officially at the 600 range. Uh, Hopefully we can shoot up a lot. I want to aim to here. I am expecting to take a dip once I do attempt to open those new credit cards. I'm not going to try to open them yet because I want my credit to get a little bit higher. When I do open those, I know it is going to dip down. I got 2 credit cards to go. I only have 3 in total. I think it should be good for me for right now to have 3 volume lines of credit. But yeah, that's everything for the video. We'll do another one of these in about 30 days. Next month, we should have a lot more to go over because a lot's going to happen within 30 days. But I literally just did another video on this 2 other days ago, so we really had much to talk about. So hopefully we have a lot to go over on our next video. So I hope to see you guys within about 20 30 days.